Every time you unlock your phone, ask Siri a question, or scroll through Netflix, you're talking to something invisible, something that listens, learns, and decides what you see next. It's not magic, it's artificial intelligence, a ghost made of data and code, shaping the world around you. But what is AI? Really, where did it come from? And how did it quietly take over everything? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the science of making machines that can think and learn like humans. It's the ability for computers to analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions without being told exactly what to do. But AI doesn't think like we do. It doesn't dream, hope, or feel. It learns from examples. When you show an AI millions of pictures, it learns to recognize faces. When you give it billions of words, it learns how to talk like ChatGPT. And when you give it endless data about your habits, it learns who you are. Imagine teaching a child what a cat is. You show them hundreds of pictures, and they start to understand the shape, color, and pattern of cats. It works in the same way, through something called a neural network. Neural networks are inspired by the human brain. They're made of layers of tiny digital neurons that connect and pass information to each other. When trained with enough data, these networks can recognize voices, translate languages, write stories, and even paint pictures. That's how AI learns, by repetition, correction, and prediction. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. The story of artificial intelligence began almost a century ago, with a question from a man named Alan Turing: can machines think? In the 1950s, Turing and other visionaries believed that one day, machines could mimic human intelligence. In 1956, at Dartmouth College, a small group of scientists gave this dream a name: artificial intelligence. The early years were full of hope. Computers could solve math problems and play chess. But soon, progress slowed as computers weren't powerful enough, and data was limited. This became known as the AI winter, when the world stopped believing in AI. Then came the internet, data, and faster processors. By the 2010s, I woke up again, stronger than ever. From Google's DeepMind beating world champions at Go, to Chat writing essays and Midjourney creating art, we entered a new era, the AI Renaissance. AI isn't coming. It's already here. It powers your Google searches, filters spam emails, and predicts what you'll type next. It drives cars, diagnoses diseases, and even helps compose your favorite music. AI writes movie scripts, edits videos, and creates realistic human voices like the one you're hearing right now. From healthcare to entertainment, education to finance, AI has quietly woven itself into every corner of our lives. It's not just changing the world, it's changing us. What happens next? AI is evolving faster than any technology before it. It can write code, design buildings, and analyze data faster than entire teams of humans. But not everyone is excited. Some fear job loss, bias, or even a loss of control. If machines become too intelligent, will they still listen to us? The truth is, AI is not good or bad. It's a mirror reflecting the values, goals, and flaws of the people who create it. The future of AI depends on what we teach it, and how wisely we use its power. So, what is artificial intelligence? It's not just a machine that thinks. It's humanity's attempt to recreate itself in code. Every time we ask AI for help, we're shaping what it learns about us. And maybe one day, it'll know us better than we know ourselves. This is just the beginning of the story. Subscribe to AI Pilot and join our journey to explore how intelligence, both human and artificial, is transforming the future. I'm your pilot, guiding you through the world of AI. Let's fly into the future together.